Hey everyone, I purchased Ceylon Birds of Paradise Wellness and Beauty Collection as a gift for myself. So I'm going to share with you guys also how the products look like. There's 14 wellness and beauty treats designed to pamper you from head to toe, and you will be able to find a detailed description inside the box. The first purple color cutie is Water Lily Moisturizing Balm and Body Butter, which apply hands and body overnight. It says that it's best for normal to sensitive skin and work extra on dry, rough areas. The second product is Sensual Sandalwood Body Scrub, and best for normal to sensitive skin. Let's go for a body spray as the third product. The name is Ruby Paradise Perfumed Body Spray. Fourth one is Ceylon Mango and Neroli Lip Balm. The fifth one, White Jasmine Night Body Lotion. Sixth one is a White Jasmine Facial Mask. There's advanced formula of jasmine leaf cell extract and vitamin B3. Then White Jasmine Facial Scrub. Here is a perfumed bath and shower gel named Lychee Blossom. This is Unavatuna Roller Uday perfume, 10 milliliters. Okay, this is my favorite product, Candian Rose Uday perfume. Hear carefully, this is a quite long name. Aloe Cardamom Rose Summer Wellness Head to Toe Ultra Hydrating Gel. Pure aloe, all season, soothing and hydrating head to toe caring gel. Another perfumed body spray named Lychee Blossom. Last but not least, Almond Tinted Lip Balm with a beautiful pink color. There's 15 plus sun protection factor. I hope those who are going to purchase these catch an idea. Thank you for watching.